In this video, we'll explore the event list style options available in AuctionWorx 3.6. These options allow you to control how event list items are displayed to users on the homepage. You can choose between the following display styles. Summary text. The event summary text is displayed instead of lot thumbnails. Lot images, up to 10 lot images, ordered by lot number, low to high, are displayed below a single line of the event summary. Portrait lot images. Up to 10 lot images are displayed in portrait orientation, ordered by lot number, low to high. These options allow you to control how event list items are displayed to users on the homepage. Let's walk through how to configure these display styles. First, open the Admin Control panel and navigate to Events Preferences. Locate the setting Default Homepage Event List Style. Select your preferred default style, such as Lot Thumbnail Images Crop Square, and click Save Changes. Below that is the Allow Homepage List Style per event setting. Enable it to let sellers choose styles per event. Otherwise, the admin's default applies to all events. On the Create or Edit Event page, scroll to the Options section. Select the Homepage Event List Style from the drop-down to set the style for that event. Then save the changes. Thank you for watching.